get straight into this fantastic song, and we're just tuned to E flat, so tune each string down a half step, and as always we'll do all the guitar parts, so let's get into it. So we have three guitar parts in this intro. Guitar 1's just playing the 5th fret on the G, we're just bending, release, bend and release, bend and release. So that's guitar 1. Guitar 2 is just playing 5 on the D and the G. Open D and G, then play a D power chord. Do that 2 times. Then we do the start again, 5 D and G, open D and G to the D power chord 2 times. Then play 5 A, 9 D, back to the D. Come up to a G power chord 2 times. And then we're doing an upstroke on the 12th fret on the B, G and D and slide down. Go back to the D power chord, play it 2 times. Then we're going to play 5A, 7D and 9 on the G 2 times. Back to the D, up to the G 2 times and then our upstroke on the 3rd one. And we're repeating that last part 3 times. So 3 times. And that's guitar 2. Now guitar 3, we're just playing the C power chord, open D and G to the D power chord. Do that 2 times. 2 there. Then we're going to do this next part 4 times. Do the C again, open D and G to the D, come up to the G power chord, this time play it once, and we're playing the upstroke on the 12 B, G and D and sliding down and just repeating from that C again. And we're doing that 4 times. Then the last one we just play the C, open D and G to the D to get us ready for the verse. And they're all the parts to the intro. So for our verse we just got 1 guitar, we're going to play the 7 on the D, G and B 2 times, then play 9 on the D, 7 on the G, 8 on the B 3 times, back to the 7. So that's a pattern we'll be using throughout this verse. So we have come up to the 12th fret and we're doing the same. So now this time we're going to play the open D and G between our change. So we're going to have open, then we're going back to the 5s and doing the same there. Now it changes here, 5, D, G and B, 7 on the D, 5 G, 6 on the B 3 times, 1, 2, 3, back to the 5s, back to the 7, 5, 6, back to the 5s, and we do that 2 times. Let me do that slowly for you. And that's our verse C. Now before we go on, welcome to my channel dedicated just to Kiss songs. Here you'll get guitar lessons from all eras, from the early classics to deep cuts and everything in between. And I'll be uploading a new song every week and covering all the guitar parts. So please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let's keep going. So guitar 1 for our chorus is just going to play the D power chord, up to the G power chord, back to the D, so we're going to go D, D flat to C, up to an F 2 times. The second time we're going to play the 5, D and G, open D and G, back to the D power chord, up to the G power chord, back to the D, D, D flat, C, coming back to the F. And that's guitar 1. Guitar 2 is pretty similar, we're just playing the C, open D and G to the D, and then finishing the same on the G, back to the D, D flat, C, coming up to the F, and we just do that 2 times. Up to the G, the D, and to the F. And they're all the parts to the chorus. So for our second verse, guitar 1 plays the same as before. Guitar 2, we're starting on the 15 on the B, hold for 4. Jump to 12 on the D, slide back to 5. Then we're playing 7 on the G, 8 on the B 2 times. Play 5D, slide up to 10. Play 12G, 13B 2 times. Then jump to 10 on the D and the G 3 times. Then 10D, 9G once, back to the 10s, back to 10 and 9s. Then do 10, slide up to 12 on the D. Play 14G, 15B 2 times. Back to 12, slide back to 5 on the D. We're going to finish the same, 7G, 8B 2 times. 5 on the D, slide up to 10. 12G, 13B 2 times. Now this time we do the 10s, D and G 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then just finish on the 10D, 9G. And that's our second verse. From there we just go back to the chorus and the guitar parts stay the same there. So then we have our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. I'll just talk you through this. It's pretty easy. We're just playing the C power chord again, open D and G to the D power chord, and we do that 4 times. 4 times there, then we do the start again, C, open D and G to D. Then we're just playing the G, it's going to be the same as the chorus, D, D flat, C, up to the F, and we do that 2 times. To the G, the D, to the F, 2 times there, and then just finish the start again. C, open D and G, and D. And that's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. So then for our third verse, guitar 1 plays the same again. The guitar 2 is going to be similar to our second verse. We have the 10, slide up to 12 on the D, 14G, 15B 2 times, 12 back to 5, our 7 and 8 2 times, 5 up to 10, our 12 and 13 2 times, and then our 10s 3 times on D and G, 10D, 9G, 10s, 10 and 9, and we just do that 2 times. And that's our third verse there. So for guitar 1, we're just playing the D 2 times. Come up to the G, we're going to play it 3 times. To the C 3 times. And then our 7 on the D, 5, G, 6, B 3 times. Now the second time through we're going to do the D 3 times and the rest stays the same. Up to the G, to the C, and then our 7, 5, 6 3 times. Then we're just going to the D, play it once, back to the G once, to the C, and then up to the F, and we do that 2 times. D power chord, G, C, and F to finish. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So for guitar 2 we're starting 17 on the G, 15 on the B and bend the 17, and again. Then play 15G, 13B, bend the 15. Then come up to 19G, 17B and bend. Go back to the 17 and 15 2 times. Then back to 15 and 13 once. Then we're playing 15 on the E 3 times. Do 15, pull off the 14. 15B, 14G. Then we're going to release the bend on 14G and play 12. Release the bend on 15B, play 13. Do the same on the E string, 15, 13. Then we're starting again, 15 on the E 3 times. 15, pull off the 14. 15B, 14G, and finish the same, the bend on 14 to 12. 15 to 13, and on the E 15 to 13, and they're all the parts to the bridge. So let me just talk you through the outro chorus. It's pretty easy. We have guitar 1, 5, D and G, open D and G to our D power chord, to our G power chord, back to our D, D flat, C, and up to F. And just keep repeating that to the end. Guitar 2, we're just playing the C, open D and G to the D, finish the same, the G, the D, D flat, C to the F, and we just keep repeating that to the end. Then we have the solo underneath as well, and it's nearly the same as our bridge. We have 15 on the E 3 times, then play it again, pull off the 14, 15B, 14 on the G, release the bend on 14G, play 12, release the bend on 15B, play 13, and then the same on the E, 15 release, play 13. And just keep repeating that to the end. And the harmony is going to come up to 19 on the E, play that 3 times. Do 19, pull off the 17, 19B, 19G, then release 17G, play 16G, come up to 18B, release, play 17, then 19E, release, play 17, and we just keep repeating that all the way through to the end. So they're all the rhythm parts. Now let's tackle the solo. So we're going to start on 15B, 14E, play it 3 times. Then go 13 on the G, 12B, slide up 1 fret. Play the open D, 12, G and B, open D, go to 10 on the G and the B and hammer onto 9 on the G. D, 12, 10. Go back to 15B, 14E 3 times. Play the open D, 14 on the G, 13B. Open D, 14 and 13. Open D, 16G, 15B. Open D, 16 and 15. Open D. Then repeat the first one again. Then we're going to bend the 12th fret G. Jump to B, 10, 13, pull off the 10 to the G, 13, 12, 10, 12 on the D, 12 on the G, 12 on the D, 10 on the G, 12 on the D. Then bend the 12 on the G, release it, so play it again, pull off the 10, and then on the D, 10, hammer onto 12. Now we have similar to our bridge and our outro solo, 15 on the E once, then play it again, pull off the 14, 15 on the B, 14 on the G, release a bend on 14G, play 12G, release a bend on 15B, 13, release a bend on 15E, 13, then jump back to 15, play it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and finish the same. 15, 14, 15, 14, and then the same at the end. And there are the main parts of the solo. Now let's have a look at the harmony. This time again, the harmony is going to be similar to our outro. E, 19, pull off to 17, 19B, 19G, release 17, bend on the G, play 16, release 18B, play 17, release 19E, play 17, and then 19 3 times, 19, pull off to 17, 19B, 19G, and finish the same, 17 to 16, 18 to 17, 19 to 17, and then to finish it off you're going to bend 19 on the E, bend, release, pull off to 17, play 20E, and then bend the 20E. And there are all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed King of the Nighttime World Guitar Lesson by Kiss. Don't forget, if you love Kiss, to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you soon.